Hey guys, it's Sarah. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's not going to be makeup, but it's still kind of beauty related. So I recently went on Amazon and I bought myself a front lace wig. Here it is. Has plenty of lace on the front. Has a little part here. Doesn't go too far back. I think I paid around $45 and honestly the quality is not bad for the price. I don't really wear wigs ever, so I'm not an expert, but honestly it looks pretty good and it's very long and thick. This wig is from Entranced Styles. I will have the link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. I've actually never applied a front lace wig before, so today, after watching numerous tutorials on YouTube, I will be attempting to put on this wig and we will see how that goes. So I'm gonna cut off this tag. Ooh. I'm gonna be using the wig cap method or the bald cap method, I think. That's what I mainly saw on YouTube and I feel like that's gonna work best for me, especially because I have a lot of baby hairs going on around here. I ordered all the supplies I need on Amazon, so let's get started. All right, so I already braided my hair. I did it in 4 braids. Not the best job, but whatevs. So actually, first I was planning on sleeking back the rest of my baby hairs because I have a lot. So I got this big tub of gel and I'm gonna use that. And the spoolie brush, that's from L'Oreal. I'm gonna use a little bit of that to just slick back my baby hairs out the way as much as I can because honestly my sideburns are a huge issue that I've always had when wanting to wear wigs. Too much hair sticking out. I don't know why. I have like a bunch of baby hairs here. They just refuse to grow. I'm gonna take some alcohol on a cotton pad and just wipe down my hairline from my foundation and any excess products I may have to help the glue and the hairspray stick better. So now I'm just gonna pin up my braids. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. Now I'm gonna take this wig cap and put that ish on. My sideburns really go down low, huh? Not that I look weird. I'm gonna take this Got To Be hairspray. It smells like fish. Now I'm gonna cut this. God, wow. All right. Now I'm gonna take my foundation and put my foundation on over this wig cap. Okay, and the part is situated more so over here, so I'm gonna paint this part of the cap. And now I'm gonna set it. Now I'm gonna put this on. Now I'm gonna clip back the hairs that are in the front. This wig is not a center part, which I appreciate. I don't know why the lace on this side is so much longer, but it literally says in the description that it's not a center part. Everything looks good except for my part because you can see where the cap is. I know some people glue down their wig first before they start cutting. I don't know if I should do that so that way when I start cutting, I know it doesn't move. So I got this glue from Amazon. Oh, nice. It comes with a little spatula. So I got this glue. Okay, well, let's test this out then. don't know why, but this wig reminds me of Doja Cat. I know I'm probably gonna get hit with the didn't you pre-pluck it? I might do that later. Okay, now my issue is my ears. I'm really scared about how my ears are gonna turn out, so I didn't glue this down enough. Let's do this side. This is what it looks like so far. This is a mixture of hairspray and glue and concealer all heading together. I think we can just leave it here. This is a look. These are just my earrings. Yeah, good enough. I'm so scared. I think I might take some of these hairs and put them a little shorter to make them look more like sideburns, because no one has hair this freaking long just growing out of this part of their head. Yeah, I'm gonna do that after I glue that on. You can see my wig cap right there. How do I cover that up? How do I distract you from that? Time to do the other side. Okay, so I wiped off all the extra gunk that was around my hairline. So now I need to add some foundation back. See, this is why you do your makeup after you put on your wig. Okay guys, I think this is about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. I did cut some baby hairs into it and I played around with it a lot off camera. I don't know, this is the best that I can get it. Like I said, I did cut baby hairs into it, but for some reason they would not want to lay down. So they're just kind of just chilling wherever they are, which I guess does make it look a little more natural than not having baby hairs at all. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. Honestly, for the price of the wig, this wig is really awesome. It's really thick, it's really long, and it doesn't shed, or it wasn't shedding until I cut it, but you know, that's on me. But before, it did not shed. It just gets really tangled, but I mean, it's long, so it's really shiny, so it doesn't look super realistic, but I mean, you can always put powder in it or dry shampoo and that'll make it matter. If you guys have any tips or advice for me on how to blend in my cap to my head better and my lace better and pretty much anything, just any tips you have regarding wigs, please leave them down in the comments because I would really appreciate it. I struggled big time with this wig. I think I've been trying to put this wig on for about 2 hours, so it took some time and I'm still not like super happy with it because you can definitely see my wig cap right there. So how do you make that line of the cap disappear? Because I never saw that mentioned in any other videos. I really like the hairline on this wig. I think it might have been slightly pre-plucked, but it is really, really thick. So I could pluck it a little bit, make it look a little more realistic. But I mean, like this, you can't really tell. Also, a big thing was I could not glue the wig onto my head because it is so hot in my room that I kept sweating. So I had to take my blow dryer on the cool setting and just to get it to dry. It's so hot. Plus when you have a wig on, it's even hotter. Oh my God. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Click over here to subscribe and click over here to watch another video, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.